Hi everyone, Anna's going to tell us how she finds 15% of 40 by starting off with 15% of 100. And Anna, can you tell everyone what 15% means?
Well, 15%. Cent means 100 in French.
Okay, so it means 15 per 100. So let's pull out $100. And 15 per 100 just means 15, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we've got 10. I'll put them on top, and then we just need a 5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's 15. But we need 40 down here, not a 100.
Exactly. So we're going to split 100 into 20s, or 5 equal groups.
So we're going to split that by 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to replace that with 5 20s. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need one more.
But now we also
Well, let's just move these all over so that we make ourselves lots of room. So there's 5 groups.
Mm-hmm. But now we have split the 15 into 5 groups.
Oh, okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So instead of 15, how many am I gonna, what's 15 divided by 5?
3.
3, okay, so let's pull out a 2. Do you mind grabbing some loonies and putting loonies out for me? Because we have to put out 3 for every 20, right? So here's one more, and I've got the last one over here. So basically, I'm going to just draw these so that people can see these 5 groups, right? So basically what we're saying is we're saying that 15% of 20 is 3. But again, we only need 40. Like we need to figure out how much per 40. So what do you want to do for that?
Well, now we can just add 2 groups together.
Okay, so this right here. There's our 40, and this is what 15% is.
Mm-hmm.
So how much is that?
Well, here's $2, $3.
Times 2 would give you?
$6.
So 15% of 40 is 6. That was awesome, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.
Hi, everyone. I have the fabulous Lauren with me, who's going to tell us how she figures out 15% of 40.
The first thing I do is take this 15% and turn it into 10 and 5.
Oh, you really like 10% then, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 10% of 40 is, so how do you figure out the 10%?
I like to know that the decimal is here, so I have to move it over 1.
Oh, so you just divide by 10 then. Okay,
yeah.
So you divide 40 by 10, and you said you just move that decimal over 1 place. So you get 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to pull out $4 just so that people can see the $4 there. Okay, now you said that you split the 15 into 10 and 5. So 5% of 40. What's 5% of 40?
We know that if 10% of 40 is 4, then 5% will be 2 because it's half.
Because it's half. Okay, so 2. And I'm just going to pull out a toonie. Here we go. That one. And so half of 4 is just 2. Okay, so we have 10% and 5%, which would give us 15%. And so what's 15% of 40, Lauren?
15% of 40 is 6.
Yeah. And so we just add these together to get $6. So 15% of 40 is 6. That's fantastic.